Hello students, here we have video number 2 for day 6 of module 2, day 6. This is on page 56. This will be a really short video compared to the last one, which is over 8 minutes long. And example number 2 is solving problems with rational numbers. Remember, rational numbers are fractions or decimals, pretty much. All right? How do we solve problems? A lot of it, once again, comes down to the reading. How much gasoline is left in the tank? All right, we go back and reread. Start of the trip. 12 gallons of gasoline. During the trip, the car consumes. Consume means used. 10 1/8. 12 minus 10 1/8. So that's how we'd write it down. Now, doing the math on this, if we want to do it by hand, I would challenge some of you to try to do it by hand. The more you rely on the calculator, the more there's a chance you're going to hit a wrong button. Okay? This is nice because if you start with a whole number, you take 10 away. That's not, nope, it's not, it's 2. Take away an eighth away from 2. 1 7/8. Or, you just put it in the calculator, you'll get the same thing. All right? So the biggest thing about solving these problems with these rational numbers is the reading piece. All right, let's take a look at this one. What rational number represents the position of the fish at 11 a.m.? Here's one. A visual would help with this because you're talking about elevation. A fish was swimming 3.5 feet below the water surface at 7 a.m. 4 hours later, the fish was at a depth that is 5 1/4 below. So it goes down even more, 5 1/4. What position is the fish at? All right. Now, a couple different ways to look at this is looking at the number line and think, what am I really doing with these two numbers? And knowing that it's going to be in a negative position. But this is what it would look like. This would be negative 3 1/2 minus 5 1/4. So on your calculator, you'd have, and if you start with that negative, remember, you got to hit the negative button first. Negative 3, ABC1, ABC2. Minus, remember this one's the minus, so you hit the minus button, not the negative. Don't worry if you do it wrong, because the calculator is not going to let you do it. If you type it in wrong, the calculator is going to say syntax error. And this is negative 8 3/4, right, which is the position it would be in. All right, so this is a short lesson, only about 3 minutes long, but this is Mr. Sims signing off for the second time.